I already did a video on something. Actually, this, I think it's the same company, same actual item. The difference is that instead of the item coming with this piece here, the GoPro mount part, this black piece here, it comes with a aluminum one for this. I have that one, but I decided to also, as I was surfing and looking at other similar items, I ran into this, and this is actually just the actual screw itself, just like this here. It's just the screw itself, and they give you two of them, price of $17. It's a two-piece for $17. It just doesn't come with the aluminum thing here. So I thought it'd be good to have more than one. One as a backup for the other unit, the one that comes with the aluminum mount, or to also use in different mounts where, because I'm going to keep that permanently sub on an actual mount and not use it, the one that I purchased before. I'm not going to be taking it out, the actual mount. But it'd be nice to, instead of having to take the thumb screw back and forth between mounts, I can actually just have more than one and use it on other mounts and not have to keep switching and remembering to bring it back. And you know, when I'm filming one thing, not having to have forgotten that I left it on the other mount in my house or in the car. So this will make it easier by each mount having its own thumb screw, which makes life a lot easier. As I showed in the last video, this thing is pretty cool with the way it allows you to actually tighten and loosen and, you know, mount the camera, the GoPro, which is really nice. I really like it compared to using this thing, which is, like I said before, slippery sometimes, very difficult to get a grip. You know, it's hard. So with this, it's so easy. It's a thumb screw, and it's just easy to turn and screw on and everything. And it's not too much of a difference in weight. We'll weigh them just to make sure. So, okay, so actual black one by itself, 0.3. 0.5. Not that much of a weight difference, and for what you get, you know, in comparison to size, I mean, that's a big difference. It's a big difference in size for length and everything, especially if you're like me, and when it comes to the GoPro, I like the screw to be on the opposite side of the memory or the battery port or the battery door. So I don't like the actual, this piece here, the thumb piece, the screwing on and off piece, to be on this side, because sometimes I need to push down a little bit on the actual door and pull up to get to the SD card, micro SD card, or the battery. If I keep this here, sometimes it's difficult to get this pushed all the way down because this is in the way. It'll be somewhere like this, and it'll be in the way. So I usually put it on the other side. Okay. Let me put that back. This is my what's this called? Wind breeze or something. This is supposed to, it muffles the sound, the wind noise, which it does a great job at doing. This one's falling apart a little bit already. Anyway, you can see a big difference. That's the screw part. And look how much longer it is. So I take a measuring tape. You can see there's a big difference between the two of them. It's about 2.5 inches. The thumb screw, easy to unscrew and screw on, and the other one's 1.5 inches. I have another one. I have a couple of other ones that are almost 2 inches, but still, this part here. Let me show you this too. And they're both the same standard size, the actual screw itself. So, let me do it from here. About 3/4 almost. So I like this a lot. easy to put on and off. It's great, excellent, light, not that much heavier than even the smallest one I have of this. And I don't feel the weight at all. Really cool. Let me just show you how I'm gonna use it. So, bring this out, show you how it looks on the actual camera. Again, I like to put the actual thumb part, the screwing on and off part, away from the door. So let me nice and tight. Don't tighten it too much, because with this one you could actually break this plastic. So once you got a nice resistance, enough of resistance, you don't need any more. Pretty cool. I really like it. I think it's going to make everything a little bit easier, taking on and off the camera. I like it a lot. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. All info is below, including the link to the page that I purchased it on Amazon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Two-pack, SEASKY tool-free all-aluminum alloy thumb fixing screws for GoPro Hero 1098766 and DJI Osmo Action 2 sports camera mount clamps. 082022. Cost $17.99. Purchased on Amazon. Brand SEASKY. Compatible devices: cameras. Compatible phone models: GoPro Hero 10. Special feature: lightweight. Material: aluminum. About this item: tool-free. This is a truly tool-free and reliable fixing screws. Lock your camera, no need to use anything else. Ergonomic design: using this screw, locking and fixing your camera becomes so easy and comfortable. Applicable everywhere. It's time to replace those bad fixing screws. SEASKY is more reliable at any time, anywhere. All aluminum alloy, aluminum, 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 all aluminum alloy, lighter and more reliable. This is art. You will fall in love, just like first love. More useful thing, please refer to SEASKY store. Tool-free screws. For GoPro 10987. And DJI Action. Tool-free. Truly tool-free, reliable fixing screws. Easily lock your camera. Ergonomic design. Locking and fixing your camera, so easy and comfortable. Applicable everywhere. Replace those bad products. SEASKY is more reliable at any time, anywhere. All aluminum alloy. Aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. Lighter and more reliable. This item, 2-pack, SEASKY tool-free all aluminum alloy thumb fixing screws for GoPro Hero 1098766 and DJI Osmo Action 2 sports camera mount clamps.